Did you know that you can compile and program your board online? This is MPLAB XPRESS evaluation board, and I will use it to show you how easy it is to set it up and program it using the cloud-based IDE. First thing, let's open the box. It comes in this very tiny package with datasheet and instructions of what to do to start your first cloud-based project. Now let's open the web. You can use Safari, Chrome or Edge. Once here, let's type this in Google and click in the first result. It will take a minute to set up. Now that we are here, let's connect the board to the computer. It should show up as a driver. For this project, I decided to make a very easy Blinky project. To create this code, we first have to open MCC, MPLAB Code Configurator. Here we can set up peripherals with an easy code configurator. After doing this, we can generate the code and start making our own code. Now, after the code is ready and we see that it compiles correctly, we click Build and the file will be downloaded in our download folder. After this, the board is very easy to program. We just pick the file and we put it in the drive, and now it should be working. What do you think? Do you know of other online programmers that I should try? Thank you for watching and see you next time.